Hi there, my name is Oliver and today I want to show you one of the motorized decoilers DC200M that we currently have in stock at Expandable forming machines. This decoiler can be powered by either a single or a three-phase motor. In our case, we're using a three-phase motor paired up with a gearbox and a belt drive system for a smooth operation. It's also equipped with an electrical control box, an optional foot pedal, if you want to operate this machine from a distance, and a limit switch. Now I want to show you the electrical control box and what we have here. First of all, it has two different modes, the automatic and the manual. It has forward jog and reverse jog, so this decoiler can decoil the metal forward as well as backwards. We have the jog button that is used in the manual mode, and of course switch off. You can switch off the decoiler and switch it on. If you have an emergency, you can press the emergency button, which will stop the decoiler immediately. Now let's see this machine in operation. First of all, let's turn on the automatic mode with this leveler here. As you can see, it decoils the metal automatically. After that, you can stop it and put it in reverse and turn on the automatic mode again. So now it spins in a different direction. Let's stop it again and turn on the manual mode. So in this mode, you will have to press jog if you want it to spin. It's manual mode, forward jog, and we press the green button here, which makes the decoiler spin. Reverse jog, now it spins backwards. If you want to turn off the machine, you can use this switch off here. After that, you will wait for several seconds. It will say off right here. Let's turn it on again. Let's put the automatic mode on. Now it's doing the reverse jog. If you want to stop it immediately, if you're having some kind of emergency, you press this button and it stops the decoiler right away. For an additional price, you also can get this foot pedal right here. So that's how it works. You have to turn on the manual mode. It has two pedals right here. One is forward, the other one is backward. You can press it. So this one is backwards. And the other one right here, which will spin the decoiler in the other direction.